Hello, and welcome back to another video on DealGo's Shipowner account features. In the last video, I showcased some of the features in the vessel module. Now I am going to talk about the remaining ones. Namely, the crew, maintenance, and vessel calendar. The crew button takes me to the crew list. This is where I register the crew members. To add a new one, I click on this button and enter their data. Nothing complicated, just the personal data and the role as a member of the crew. There is also a field to upload IDs or similar documents if it is necessary. I can then repeat the process for all or only the important members. Similar to the crew button, this one takes me to the maintenance list. This is where I manage the maintenance periods of my vessel. By clicking on New Maintenance, I get to define this maintenance period by giving it a title and a description. I'm also free to upload any related documents here. One important thing I should keep in mind is when creating open positions, I won't be able to set the opening dates between 18th and 19th of October because of the maintenance. Now I navigate to Vessel Calendar. Every status or event related to this vessel is displayed in this timeline. For example, the maintenance period that I've just added can be seen here. I can also click it for instant access. And that's everything for the vessel module. In the next video, we'll walk you through the open position module. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial.